family, you have a lot of uncertainty. We know what you're feeling. When something bad has happened to you, you need help, financial help, and we're here to make sure you get that help. We cover all the expenses. Our only compensation is a percentage of what we win for you. We are Habas Law. Call us at 1-800-INJURED. I'm Omar Habas, and I want to be your advocate. Visit habaslaw.com. HABBAS law.com.
Have you been in a car accident? Sheldon Auto Body has 15 convenient Bay Area locations to help restore your vehicle to pre-accident condition. Sheldon Auto Body is also actively hiring for all positions. For more details, head to SheldonAutoBody.com. The Bay Area's leader in collision repair.
KCBS News Time at 12:41. This portion of the news sponsored by Sheldon Auto Body. Staffing shortage with the Valley Transportation Authority led to several delays for commuters yesterday. Here's KCBS's Jennifer Hodges.
Some commuters waited a long time on the platform after 6 train operators called in sick.
That was an impact on our service. In some cases, people had to wait as much as an hour for a train.
Safety Handler Ross with the VTA says they just don't have the employee numbers they need.
We have a chronic shortage in bus operators, and bus operators become train operators. So if we don't have enough bus operators, they're not moving to train operators as well.
In the South Bay, Jennifer Hodges, KCBS.
Well, speaking of transportation, the cost of gas continues its roller coaster ride. The state of California averaging the price of $6.38 a gallon. And what's the explanation? Here's KCBS's Jim Taylor.
Maintenance. Refineries shut down for maintenance. That's why prices here are jacked up more than the rest of the country.
The thing is that the refining capacity, regardless, is lower in California than it was before. So even if the refineries start hitting on all cylinders, while it'll bring gasoline prices down, you're still vulnerable to price spikes in California.
Oil industry analyst Phil Flynn, Price Futures Group, he says the move by Governor Newsom to get air regulators to relax pollution standards, allow an early switch to winter blend gas, that'll take 10 to 15 cents off the price of a gallon, but so what?
I think $6 a gallon may be here to stay in California for some time to come. You know, the national average is closer to $3.80, but, you know, the odds are that prices are going to go up as we get into winter.
Some of the cheapest gas we can find in the Bay Area, Rotten Robbie in Alamo, $4.99 a gallon. Jim Taylor, KCBS.
That is good. 2 recent racist incidents involving a mock slave auction and violence against black people have sidelined a couple of Sacramento area high schools for the remainder of the varsity football season. Amador High canceled the rest of its season because of a Snapchat group named Kill the Blacks. River Valley High School forfeited its Friday game after a TikTok video created by players included a mock slave auction. And with all its varsity players out, River Valley is also forfeiting its season due to not enough players. How are people in the Bay Area feeling about their quality of life these days? KCBS John reports on a new poll conducted for the Bay Area News Group and joint venture Silicon Valley.
According to the poll, people are grumpy about a number of things. The biggest problem? Most people agree. We need more housing. When we ask specifically, what should we do about adding to our housing stock, that we don't find any support for any of the usual measures. People don't like height, they don't like density, they certainly don't like anything being built within a half mile of their own home.
Russell Hancock, CEO of joint venture Silicon Valley, says the state legislature may step in.
They might take the matter out of our hands entirely, subvert local control, and just make it legally binding. We have to approve housing, we have to build it.
Overall, a lot of local residents are not feeling good about life in the Bay Area.
This is an annual poll, and what we've seen is that people are becoming increasingly grim, to the point now where 56% of respondents say that they are making plans to leave in the next few years.
Liz St. John, KCBS.
Just ahead on KCBS,
I'm Holly Kwan. A 60 Minutes investigation shows questionable decisions by the U.S. Forest Service during last year's destructive Caldor fire.
I couldn't believe it at first.
Time at 12:45. The A's came from behind to get a 5-4 win over the Angels, but the Giants lost to the Padres last night, 7-5. And the 49ers got a big win on Monday Night Football. Steve has more on that from the sports desk.
The 49ers had back in prime time on Monday Night Football after losing to the Broncos last week, and they did just that with a 24-9 win against the Los Angeles Rams. This is the type of game the 49ers are used to playing, where the 49ers offense scores early, putting the pressure on the opposition to score, and then the defense puts on a dominant performance over the opposition. This is why the 49ers have had the success that they've had under head coach Kyle Shanahan, and it's the game plan they'll continue to implement this season.
I was real happy overall, obviously, with their whole team. It was a cool way to win. We knew it would be a battle. To keep them out of the end zone was great. Our special teams played well.
That was Shanahan meeting with the media after the game. The 49ers defense was the key as they sacked Matthew Stafford a total of 7 times on the night, the most so far in a single game for the 49ers this season, while they also forced 2 turnovers on the Rams offense. And Kyle Shanahan gives credit to the defensive coordinator, Duhig.
I thought D'Amico did a hell of a job mixing it up. I mean, you can't stick with one thing versus a team like that, versus a quarterback like that, and he mixed it up throughout the game, so I'm excited to sit here and watch it this time.
It is their 7th straight win in the regular season over the Rams, and quarterback Jimmy Garoppolo knows just how important these division wins can be.
It's always nice to beat the division game, and just, I don't know, every time we play the Rams, it's a dogfight. It always is, and always usually comes down to the last couple minutes. I think House made a huge play for us at the end there to kind of seal it for us.
That was Garoppolo during his post-game presser. Now, we won't see these two teams face each other again until the end of the month. They are now 2-2 so far on the season. At the sports desk, I'm Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Now it's time for the closer of the week. Presented by LiftMaster and R&S Doors. Turn your garage into the envy of the neighborhood. Visit rnsdoors.com.
The closer of the week is Brandon Ayuk, who shined on a dark night in Denver. Recently, my garage door opener was not working. I was in need of a closer. I was put in touch with R&S Doors, and they hooked me up with a brand new garage door opener from LiftMaster. With LiftMaster's MyQ connectivity, my garage door opener can be controlled right from my smartphone. You'll know when a door or gate has been left open and can close it with a tap, no matter where I am. Be one of the first 10 callers and receive 20% off a LiftMaster garage door opener when you purchase a premium garage door.
Call 1-800-6-THE-DOOR. That's 800-6-THE-DOOR. Or visit rnsdoors.com. R&S Doors. Look for the red truck.
12:48 at KCBS. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes. And before we get to Paul's forecast, let's get out to the roads with Carolyn Burns.
And right now, the good news is absolutely no stalls or accidents to slow you down. We do have a lot of road work, and it happens to be out in that Cordelia area right now on eastbound 12, that connector to eastbound 80. Well, it is completely shut down, so traffic's being diverted off right to the Red Top Road. That'll take you over to eastbound 80, and you'll find that Red Top Road and Green Valley Road, 2 left lanes are closed for some pavement work there. Also, the on and off ramps at Green Valley Road, as well as the connector to southbound 680, that's closed as well. Keep going on eastbound 80, you'll find that in between Air Base Parkway and Allison Drive, closer to Vacaville, you have 3 left lanes shut down. That continues till 7 a.m., but looks like traffic is able to navigate through all of this pretty well. Your next traffic update is at 12:58 on the Traffic Leader, KCBS.
Very nice weather across the Bay Area today with lots of sunshine and temperatures pretty close to what's normal for early October. Right around 70 degrees in San Francisco with low to mid-70s for Oakland and the East Bay. Near 80 degrees in the Santa Clara Valley around San Jose. Low 80s for most inland spots north of the Golden Gate with mid-80s inland in the East Bay. Temperatures are going to warm up by a good 4 or 5 degrees inland on Wednesday. The hottest days are going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The 70s around the Bay, but widespread 80s farther inland late this week into the first half of the weekend, with the hottest spots topping out above 90 degrees. I'm meteorologist Paul Hagan with your KCBS KPIX5 First Alert Forecast.
I'm Sue Duba. If you're a cancer patient in the U.S. and its territories or Canada, you may be able to help science uncover the next breakthrough by sharing your patient data and unique experience with researchers. Join the movement at standuptocancer.org/countmein.
It's not often that something you like is actually good for you. Take sleeping on your side. Studies indicate that side sleeping can help with nighttime breathing. At European Sleepworks, they have many options to help side sleepers create the comfort and stability they need. From their unique contoured mattresses to their patented custom-fit oxygen pillows. After all, for over 50 years, they've been working on your side. And that's a good thing. European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley or online, sleepworks.com.
Buy your car completely online or reserve your brand new ride while in transit. Hey, it's Jondo Grant of CGDD. We've got thousands of vehicles to choose from with brand new models arriving daily. You can buy your new or used car from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout.